Hello and welcome to MTDCNC India. Today we are so excited to be here at EMAG Technology Day at Rajkot, and I am here with Mr. Klein and Mr. Patil to know more about what is happening here. Thank you, sir. Thank you for inviting us here. So, Mr. Klein, can you please tell us about little bit history about EMAG Group, because many audience want to listen to you what is all about EMAG Group.
Yeah, for sure. Thank you very much. EMAG is a traditional German tool machine manufacturer with a headquarter in the south of Germany. Totally, we are talking about 2,600 employees globally. We do have a global footprint. We have an export share higher than 75%.
Wow.
And that's the reason why we are here, because at the end, the world is our customer base.
Awesome, awesome. So, can you please elaborate while we are here in India? Can you please elaborate how EMAG India has evolved over the years, and how is your customer footprint all over India?
Yeah, I start from the global view. EMAG India is for us a very strong team in a very interesting market with a lot of opportunities. We want to catch, we want to develop these opportunities, and at the end, that's the reason why we are here.
Amazing. So, Mr. Patil, can you please elaborate more on then when EMAG India started and how the company evolved over the years?
EMAG in India started in the year 1980. We started our footprint from 1980.
Wow.
However, over the next few decades, we became EMAG India in the year 2010. So we
Okay.
established our office at Bangalore, and we have a tech center at Bangalore, and that's how EMAG India is, into existence in India. And primarily, we cater to, as Dr. Klein said, it's the automotive market. But besides the automotive market, EMAG India is also quite representative in non-automotive sector.
Excellent.
Primarily the aviation sector, the medical sector, the agriculture sector. Because in India, let's all agree that we are at a very exciting time
Yes,
where
definitely.
a lot of manufacturing is getting spilled over to India from China, I would say. I would use that word as spilled over. And besides that, India as a home domestic market itself is a big market, so that way, I think EMAG India is really poised to support customers, because today customers want speed, customers want precision in manufacturing, and also they want a stable process at their machine shop. So having said that, EMAG India, if you look at the history that we have come so far, we have got a wonderful clientele in India, and most of whom are global players.
Wow.
So we are proud to associate with a global tier 1 automotive manufacturers, OEs, and also the tier 1 suppliers in India. So EMAG India, if you would call it, is a very, very premium machine tool supplier in India, and that's how we associate with the Indian market.
Fascinating. And I think you are absolutely right that there is a silent manufacturing revolution going on in
That's,
India right
yes,
now. And earlier we used to think about Indian manufacturing setup as an automotive only.
yes.
But now aerospace, mobile phone manufacturing,
Mm.
medical implant manufacturing, there are huge applications which are coming in India now.
Yeah,
And this manufacturing sector is increasing very fast.
yeah,
So I think that's why I think it's a big market for EMAG as well in India.
yeah.
So I think
And for the group also, India is a very, very important market. That's the reason group shows a lot of interest. You have Dr. Klein, who has come all the way from Germany, and this shows in a way that the group is also equally serious in growing with the manufacturing in India. EMAG India also has got very skilled technicians, service technicians. We have got wonderful sales team. We also have the application team in India. So all in all, we have the perfect recipe to answer to the evolving needs of the Indian manufacturing.
awesome. I think I can see, the focus of management towards Indian market.
Yes,
That's why we are celebrating a technology day here, right?
yes.
So my next question is about this only, that last year also you did a technology day here. So what was your experience, and what should we, expect from this technology day, sir?
Yeah, as Mr. Patil said, at the end, our target is to have the face-to-face connection. everywhere in the market. That's the reason why I am here. That's the reason why colleagues from our technology units are here to show face-to-face connection to our team in India and to show face-to-face connection to our customers. We decided last year to start such technology events to teaser the market, to get a feedback face-to-face from the market. Is EMAG interesting for the market or not? And based on the great feedback we received last year, we decided very fast to follow up and to establish this now in different regions, in different areas, with different technology ideas. And this is the general mindset we had. And that's the reason why we are once again here in 3 new areas for us to get the real feedback fast from our customers.
Absolutely. I think a face-to-face, connection with the customer is very, very important, especially in India, which is a very diverse country, right?
Yes.
Different languages, different cultures. It's like, I would say, European Union, like different state had different, language. So I think that's why I'm curious to know why you are celebrating this technology day in 3 different cities.
Yeah. As Dr. Klein mentioned, last year in 2022, we had technology events at the cities where we have the OEs, primarily the original equipment manufacturers and tier 1 suppliers. They were, we started with Chennai, then followed by Pune, then we had at Ahmedabad. So if you look at the topography of these in terms of industry, they have either the OE or the tier 1 suppliers. Whereas this year we have the technology events at Rajkot. We are starting with Rajkot. Then we have at Aurangabad on 20th, and on 26th we have at Bangalore. And these are typically the tier 2, tier 3 suppliers for the automotive and non-automotive market. So the reason why we are coming to the cities is we want to convey to the customers, we want to convey to the manufacturing fraternity that EMAG India comes to you where you are. Instead of you coming to us for IMTEX
Fantastic.
or let's say EMO, or here we want to convey that we want to come to you, come to your cities, and then share what are the manufacturing technologies, what are the experiences that we have. Plus, we also learn from the customers as well. So
Definitely.
that's the whole intent being we going to these cities like Rajkot, Aurangabad, and Bangalore.
Yeah, definitely. It's a two-way street, You
Yes.
also learn from the customer, you
Yeah.
understand, and then you bring the innovation
Yeah.
and new type of solution to solve their problems.
I would say these are the technology events that we are conducting are more, I would say, customer focused events,
Correct.
rather than a generic event. These are more customer focused because you go to a place where the action is,
Yes.
where the actions are happening. So I think that way we are going to the market and then sharing our experiences.
I think that is your mantra of a success, customer-centric approach, right? You have taken the customer in the middle of your strategy,
Yes,
and
yes.
I think that's fabulous to know. So tell me what kind of technologies will be displayed here, because millions of viewers of MTDCNC would like to know what kind of technology will be displayed here at Technology Day.
Well, the overall target is to show our customers here all technologies. So means the EMAG group, we have a lot of technologies. We are always considering, if we take a gear, soft machining, hard machining, all processes. And we are focused on all processes. Here and now, we have the focus of finish grinding, EMAG SU, a new member of the EMAG group. Then we have the hopping process with EMAG Köpfer,
Okay.
with a lot of machines already in the Indian market. Then we have the focus on our core technology. This is the turning technology, where we have the strongest footprint globally and here in India as well. And last but not least, we have one technical guy from our EMAG India team showing the competence of EMAG India in regards of turning. So these are the 4 topics we have individually, because it's nearly impossible to show the customers in one evening event all technologies we have.
Totally understand, yeah. So what kind of application will be covered here? I can see a lot of components here. So what kind of applications, you will be talking about? when you are talking about these technologies?
As I said, it will be primarily even for the entire group as well as for the EMAG India. 60%, 65% of our revenue comes from auto segment. So that being said, auto is now evolving from, let's say, IC engines to electric vehicles. So if you look at the display that we have, they are centered around the electric vehicle segment. So we are quite strong and competent in terms of offering solutions for the EV component. And besides that, we also address the non-automotive segment, such as the industrial gears, then pump industry, agri industry. So we have a solution which are part of the unique package for the Indian market. And typically for Rajkot, since we are here, this is a very strong a job shop market.
Yes.
You don't have a very continuous manufacturing production here, but a job shop. And for this as well, we have a solution which we are going to share today with the customers.
Great. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time. We are looking forward to see all the presentation here today. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks a
Bye-bye.
lot.